Hey there, Howard friends. This is just a really quick tutorial to show you how to enter your teacher's classroom. So do you see this code right down here? I'm going to go ahead and start by copying that. And you do that by highlighting it, and then you can right-click, copy, and then I'm going to go ahead and open up Google Classroom. Right up here, there's a plus sign. You can see I have a lot of classes. Right up here, there's a plus sign. Go ahead and click on that. You're going to click on Join Class. And now you're going to paste that code that we just copied right in there and click Join. And that is going to take you right in to your teacher's class. And then you're going to click on Classwork, and you'll see all of the teachers in here. They're separated by teacher and by grade level, and they have a lot of fun stuff in there for you to do. Happy learning!